Now welcome back on Tom's Net Show. Okwalimi Musa, Koma Okwalimi Nidu. Somebody, I tell me, go bring us somebody on Tom's Net Show for today. One a comedian of the Federal of the Republic of the Nigeria. One idang fat. Idang fat before it be like one hacker. One hunger idang chilang. Ina get a money in the seller for the church card. Hunger idang chilang. Why cin abinci wallahi tallabin la'in zai ina ga muku wannan ko wannan ina ga tamoni before amma san bezo somebody akwala ay ayo makon kan san kase kai wannan you iphone ne ko kon ay kan fireshan coin bafan with self ko giwa abin nan falanta woni wannan yanzu na efficient idan get big belly idan get for fat face idan be like bread put up for inside the water idan black idan kuma iketi center are telling me wannan izan mari kuma I get on 2 girls wato 1 girl 2 girls telling me idan giban bele Seyi lo na ibizanin kuma na tala I tell me fa amma abu askan da Allah please if you are there for there kula for me as a gibbon for Seyi lo sannu abokina I think I'm going to do shoki. I think you were sent on what do shoki.
I'm walking away there then shoki. Seyi somewhere. Now you be the punky of walking away.
Well, let me if punky of which she. In about quite innocent people in the telling me what not enough punky. I tell her I don't go America. I don't go London. I don't go Toronto. I punky. I
never go Ebony sent.
Ebony, I don't go. I never go Ebony. I never go Ebony. I might if money go
Aboggy the beer.
If I go for Ebony, somebody will call a car. I work your quite. Seyi here. One of my best comedians for Nigeria. Seyi now one of my best comedians for this Nigeria. You see, if you count Seyi, you count MCRB, you count Basket Mouth, you count Bovy. Don't be say others not they good though, others tight die, but person we go bring them the Ijile. Oh, I don't know.
With the try and small.
Won't try abi.
I'm going to do. Oh my God, Ijile. Taba mulati ile. Toji. It's Ijile.
Your jokes. I want to ask you how you take the guitar because you get one joke. I don't know whether you go fit talk. No. That one where blessing for one event like that for Ugbomoso about children where they for school where they say they call it poem.
Okay.
If talk, make a hear.
No, you know, say sometimes when we talk all these things, we try to take people back to those days when we because one thing we I don't discover plenty things we feel, but waiting they happen or waiting don't happen, no they feel. It's called reality jokes. You know those days where at the primary school, the first time where I enter primary school, you get one boy we be saying me with him. We drag score that time for primary school, and they call him Olowo Boye Oloye Nla. Olowo Boye Oloye Nla. The name, once my classmates, when they hear the name, they know the boy. The first time he came to school, they asked him, they say, what is your name? He said, Okomotiwa. You know, but he ended up becoming one of the best pupils in that school. You understand? So some of all these things now we they talk. Like that time when they do that competition, when they come different schools, you know, when they call all these Ajabo children, they like to show themselves. They will just come and be doing, hello, good afternoon. My name is Tracy, and I'm going to recite one of our school rhymes. I'm going to recite 10 green bottles. You know, they pronounce bottle. 10 green bottles. 10 green bottles standing on the wall. 10 green bottles standing on the wall. If 1 green bottle should accidentally fall down, 9 green bottles standing until I'm shy. All these are your children, don't go kill always shy. So when they can call one boy from Benin, no matter how Benin picking the Ajabo, that Benin character, Agidi, that is in miss inside the blood.
Inside their body.
They are always gendered. It's only in Benin that you will see somebody, you say, Oga, no, they look me like this, so everything where I wear so na jant. You know, then they called the boy from Benin, he came out with his own agidi. They say, My name is Kisley. I'm from Nether Kitchen Center. I want to sign one of our school. I want to sign motoka, get little motoka. If I come to school, please come, beep, pop. Boom. You know that Benin character is in the blood. But the mistake they made was when they called my school. S.A.O.K. Nursery and Primary School. Even the name of the school is enough to make the people fear. And what they are supposed to afraid. Oh, baby. They still stood there. When they called the school, and they say, we are going to sing our own song. Yeah, something ready. Yeah. If it's hot, if it's saucy, if it's hot, if it's saucy. Chairman said, what is this? Can you do something else in English language? What sort of rubbish is that? What is this? We don't understand what you're even saying. The guy said, well, I'm going to do it. Ọlọ́run mọ̀ mọ̀ burúkú kó tiwa wá bẹ́ẹ̀ máa ti sọ fún tíṣà ìpá màlẹ̀ ṣe kínní bẹ́ẹ̀ wọ́n máa forí burúkú tiẹ̀ tiwa wá bẹ́ẹ̀ ìgbà yẹn ti kọ òyìnbó lì sí láti sọ fún tíṣà ìka ya kú òlìbẹ́ ká má kúkú dúró ọgàn forí burúkú tiẹ̀ tiwa wá mo ti mọ̀ pé yẹn wàhálà yẹn àdánlẹ̀ rẹ bẹ́ẹ̀ ìyá ìwọ Ṣọlá ó yá ìbọ̀ síbí ìwọ gbọ́ English ní tiẹ̀ ó yá ìwà sọ̀rọ̀. That was how Ṣọlá give us gúláàlù sachetman gúláàlù everybody gúláàlù Malay Ṣọlá we want to sing our song in English language. The title of our song is Malay. We are song ready. In Oya Ifuwa Lilu. Ko. My name. My name. No be even the singing the way they make me laugh. Now the way that they dance. Many people don't know say don't say wait twerking, don't they?
So when I hear that joke, when I heard the joke for the first time, it pieces my head. I said, how Sheila think they come up with your jokes? How you think they get the materials?
Nah, madness, ni.
My brother.
You know, sometimes comedians were very close to madness. At the sumo madness.
My brother, if you not mad, far away. When you did saying you not get money, you know, like you mad.
When I was very sane and insanity was not my problem, like I was like a broom. But now that I am crazy, it is all. Do you know that man? If you are mad in this country, you can collect his free of charge. A madman can walk to where they are selling bread. He will just take bread. People will say, "Where any?" He will shop and belly food.
Now you be comedian. At the same time, you be businessman. Because I know say you get one thing where you run. As in, okay, apart from comedy, for people who don't know, which other thing you they do?
One thing where we know say one business where everybody they do now, where we know say you know they feel. Nah, investment in real estate. That one you know they fail at all.
So na real estate thing you they do now?
They do real estate things now. Okay. Yes, we buy land, we try to build houses. I be first start to buy my own land by myself and to build house by myself. But there was a time we were doing foundation on one of my land, Olom. When ọmọ nílẹ̀ tí wọ́n gbá ojú mi, oh man, the way I'm remembering it, ó dẹ̀ bẹ̀rẹ̀ jẹ́ ìtukú. Ọmọ nílẹ̀ gbá ojú mi, I was looking for my foundation. You know, when that problem happened to me, I decided, okay, I need to look for people who can help me manage my investment on real estate. Okay. And so now, I don't partner with one company where they call AgBridge Integrated.
Okay, AgBridge Integrated.
So now them, they manage my investment on real estate and all those things. They get plenty things now for people. But aside from that one, you get one place for Ikorodu where they run a small place where people they can't drink and
beer parlor.
No, they call them beer parlor.
No beer parlor now.
No, they call them beer parlor. What you call it just now?
No, but not beer parlor now. What do it be?
We are calling it like all these local people. Yoruba people say if they want to call down, they say beer parlor. It's not beer parlor.
What do it be?
It's modernized. What the package? Yeah. It's a club. It's packaged. Yes. We are packaging it.
welcome back. DJ Easy Beat, thank you. Welcome back on Top the Night Show with me and Seyi, comedian of the Federal.
We are seriously here.
We are here.
We are here.
in the Baptist ministry.
Beloved, don't make me go spiritually.
No.
I can't.
Man of God, come down. Let the Spirit be in control.
Okay.
Hallelujah. Sharp, before I leave you, make you tear, just give us some kind of materials. What do you think about this matter of, you don't marry? So we could leave marriage part. I don't know, what you tell her when she agreed to marry you?
You know, say the day where I tell my wife, say, will you like to marry me? Or will you marry me? She thinks it's a joke.
He said, you are so funny.
The funny thing is, at this stage, now that day when Michael Jackson died.
Oh.
So I go one event. She don't know, say I don't put the
ring for inside pocket.
For inside my pocket. Now so at this stage, they crack your people don't laugh. Now so I call and come stage. So I call and come stage. Now so I kneel down for stage. Now I open, will you marry me? He first say yes. After she say yes, so when people stand up, clap, everything, where would they go? They say, I don't like the way you do all this, your joke. I said, don't be joke. This one I real.
I won't marry you.
You know?
For just okay. In one time, nothing they pay me. We know they get time. Time no day. Okay, big affirmation so I enjoy the show. Well. I don't go ask you, the remaining 4 questions what I want to ask him. I go leave and make you use the remaining small time where we they take give some kind fresh 2 or 3 materials jokes to Haska put to the ministry. So
let's calculate the ministry to the next level of
to the next level of fear.
You know, so many people will not understand that.
They will not understand that English.
You know, so as I talk about my wife just now, say the day where I proposed to her, I say, you know, say that thing they surprise me about women. Woman go date. You date man for 6 years. Then one day the man come carry you, go restaurant. Come kneel down, come morning. Will you marry me? The lady go still they ask shock.
What you understand?
Oh my God! Yes. For 6 years before, what you they wait for? Don't be marriage.
Wait, the next I should say what is about the man? I think say you not go do this thing before now.
You don't understand?
Give me the ring.
They go see the shock. Now, burial you they wait for before.
I beg girls, if you date person for a long time, when the guy won't propose to you, don't every guy bring ring, will you marry me? Say, guy, I don't know, I don't know the ways for it. I don't want that whether they cause you. You understand?
I mean, the thing say you don't go do am.
Instead of, oh, he's a lie. Shut up! Oh my God!
The one when they invest me, women go they use it and they blow breeze when they.
Give us material.
You know, the one where call the like as they told say women they shock. The one another one will surprise me at their house with my wife. Armed robbers just bust enter our house, opened up. Whoa! All of you lie down. If you see gone. Before they say lie down, you know say I be Yoruba man. My wife na Igbo. Maybe na waiting cause am. Before they say lie down, my brother, I was already follow. I don't they grant sis. Yoruba man they see gun, they ask question. You know, say now only Yoruba man, 50-year-old man go see 15-year-old boy who gone. Yoruba man go call and daddy why man you. Daddy why man you born that lara man see by you. Daddy why man you. Jagbabi low. I don't lie down. My wife they see me, they ask me, say, baby, who are these people? I say, they be our family friends. They come for vacation. You know, lie down, join me now. You don't understand? But the one thing where they make me, another thing where they really like, you see, sometimes, you know, say when we travel, come up from Nigeria, we go abroad, we go this, we go UK, you know, we do America, all those things. You can't see Nigerians the way you know, say this one are Nigeria. They go see one con, they follow you, they form...
Phone.
The one way would they vest me. They go, they speak American English, join British English. For what? For what? Baby, you know, I'm just gonna, I'm just gonna do it the way I want to do it in it. I'm gonna do America within it, UK. What? Are you confused entity? The one way vest me one day, they walk up for road. I see this guy inside. Where we there? Inside. The guy they see me. They say, son no good. Ọ̀gbẹ́ni sọ yóò bá jàre. Èwo ni son no good. Ní London, son no good. Èwo ni son no good. Is this Euro English? Son no good. Already saw you, but Mama Damila Mujari, you know. And sometimes they witness all these things.
But why be say that they associate fear with Yoruba people?
My brother, it's not like we are afraid. The Yorubas, not be say with the fear.
Okay.
It's just that we are always prepared. We are always prepared. It's in our blood. Even some of our proverbs, they talk them. They say, "Funalo agba." You know, say now only Yoruba man figure wake up for money. Go don't know say problem go dey. No be say maybe the go yeah, you see. The way body is doing me, oh that one man jalo sodi. Man lo so sodi o ketu ni ko ti raja. You know, with the sense fear before it even happen. Now the reason you never feel here say water come off for Babish, kill Yoruba man. No. Before it happen, we don't go. As it stand for the Babish, now don't look at the way this water is doing. It seems like there will be problem. Oh, Yarisi moti lole the one way shock me, what Yoruba man they drive on top of Milan Bridge as they drive. If they drive, it just see us only in the drive. Motor know they pass them, motor know they come. Yoruba man don't drive, reach one thing. I say, you no man. This is not normal. Yoruba man just park. Cross third Milan Bridge. 3 lane. Cross to the other side. Cross the other 3 for the other side. As you see one small motor, they come. Now wave and wait. That one no wait. This one is no waiting. As another one they come now. So he wave. Hey, is there a problem at the front? That one say no, there's no problem. He say there is no problem. Okay. And so he cross wrong, enter in motor. As he start in motor, they drive. Now only he can't remember. I have even forgotten. Today is environmental.
Thank you to Seyi Law. Thank you, Seyi, come on top of the show today. In case you want to follow Seyi Law on top Twitter, now Seyi Law 1, the one and number 1 figure, number 1, Seyi Law 1 for Twitter, and then at the same thing on top Instagram as well, Seyi Law 1. If you want to follow us on top Twitter for the night show, now at W Night Show, send us your comments, send us your tweets, shine Seyi Law tweet, everything when you be say you want tweet about. Double swallow to everybody when you be say there. In case you want to follow me for Instagram, Nedu_Wazobia FM. If you want to follow Katim for Instagram, at Catherine Obiang. If you want to follow our producer, Cartoon Adwork, now you go search on top Instagram. So therefore, double twally, now they give to DJ Easy Beat. Follow for Instagram as well to DJ, follow DJ Easy Beat there. Double twally to DJ Easy Beat, producer Katung, Ani Baba, everybody, K-Solo, everybody, take it. Everybody set your ear and let me lick your ear now.
My brother, you don't say that this thing they kill man. He get one man where they say one get killed.
With licking of ear?
They said he get killed and the guy they take the police people. No, I didn't kill him. They say what happened? He said he touched me, I touched him. He played with me, I played with him. The next thing I just licked his ear. And he shouted, I am coming. I didn't know he was going.
Una bye till tomorrow. Una good night.
Baby girl, God bless your mother. Baby, you to find past my